cats are the internet's currency. But what if you could generate unlimited viral cat content using AI? We're showing you exactly how. No filming required. Cat content generates 26% higher engagement than any other animal video. AI tools like Runway, Midjourney, and Leonardo now let you create studio-quality cat animations in minutes. The secret? Combine trending sounds with mesmerizing visuals. Monetizable cat channels earn 5K, 50K monthly through YouTube AdSense alone. Let's build yours. Start with Midjourney or DALL-E 3 to generate stunning cat artwork using prompts like Cinematic Tabby Cat, Golden Hour, Professional Photography. Use Runway AI Video to animate these images into 15-tumber 60-second clips. Add trending audio from TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Stack 10. Upload weekly for consistency and algorithmic favor. Enable YouTube Partner Program once you hit 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours. Use cat-specific keywords, relaxing cat video, cute cat compilation, AI cat animation. Cross-post to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts for exponential reach. Partner with pet brands for sponsorships. Faceless videos mean zero production costs, pure profit potential. Effective prompts include specific breeds, emotions, and settings. Fluffy Persian cat playing with yarn, soft lighting, ultra-detailed. Use keywords like cinematic, photorealistic, and 4K quality. Test variations weekly. Study trending cat content on TikTok. Consistency and style builds audience recognition. Your unique AI aesthetic becomes your brand signature. Drop a comment. Which cat video style excites you most?